Hello guys, we're going to solve another kata. It is 7k kata from codewars.com, and it wants from us that just a second please, we have to read the instructions. This is not given specific number that have to return the highest and lowest number. So we have a string which contains sum of numbers, and we have to return the string which contains the maximum of the string and the minimum of the string. Okay, first we have to transform this string to a list. So after that we can calculate the maximum and the minimum of the list and return it. But okay, so we define a list, and we should extract all of the numbers of the string. So I have to write int I for I in numbers dot split. Okay, what's going on? When we use numbers dot split, this function return all the elements of the string which separated by a separator, and here the separator is space, and as default split uses the space as separator and split the string to these numbers. But these numbers are still a string type. Okay, we have to change them to the numbers, real numbers. So we use integer I, int I for I, and use I as a iterator in this list, and add all of the elements to the new list, which transform to the int from a string to the integer type. So we have a list here which contains all of these numbers, and after that we have to return the maximum and minimum of the list, but the problem wants us we have to return the maximum and minimum as the string which separates by a space. So we use a separator, a space, and join it the list of maximum of L and minimum of the list. Okay, so this list has two elements which are the maximum and the minimum of the list, and then we use join method with space separator and join these two elements to the new string and return it with the space separator. Okay, that's it. Just test the solution. Or something wrong, just take a look at what's sorry, we have to, there is a little mistake. We have to convert maximum and minimum to the string again, because the problem wants us to return the output as a string, and moreover join method works on the string, not, and return us the string, not a list of integers. So test the solution. Okay, our solution was correct, and submit the solution for the last test and completion. Okay, our solution was correct, and good luck.